x minus 10. See here. Okay, we can use that identity again, that which one is x plus a into x plus b. That we all know. X plus a into x plus b is what? X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Same thing I am applying here. See here. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, now I am writing. What is the thing here? See here. Okay, now I am going to compare this. On comparing, you see x is x here only. X is x. What is a? A is your 8 and here is x again. Then b is your minus 10. Are you getting? B is minus 10. Keep in mind. Take care of it. Now come on, all these values in star. Earlier also I put star here. Now by star. What will be? X square plus, on place of a, 8, place of b is minus 10, x is x. Getting? Now see again, carefully you see. A is your 8 and into b is your minus 10. Getting all of you? Now come on. I am trying to solve this. 8 minus 10, this is your minus 2. Clear minus 2? Then see, 10 8s are 80 and here plus into minus is minus. This will become minus 80 now. This will be minus 80 and this is your answer. One more I am taking. Now slightly third question is, one more I am taking, that is 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4 and 3x minus 5. Okay, how can we solve it? Earlier we have seen only, that is here, compare it, here is x and here is 3x now. So what to do? We can solve by this previous identity only. See here, what was our identity? Okay sir, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now we try to compare it. This is your this x, but in our question here is 3x. On place of a, what is? Plus 4. Here is 3x, but what is place of b? This is minus 5. So what to do? I have to put star this here and put value in RHS star. In RHS I am putting values. So what will be the value? In place of x I am putting 3x. A plus b. A is 4 and b is your minus 5. And what is x here? 3x. Clear it is? Very clear, no? All the values you have to put only. 4 into minus 5 because these are AB. See here, 3 square. 3 into 3 is 9. 9x square. This is 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Then minus 3, x is there, then x. Plus into minus is minus. 5 4s are 20. This is your answer. Come on the next question. Come on the next question. If we have given 103 into 107, it means this time you have given numbers. So how can we multiply it? How can we get product of it with help of suitable identity? How can I make it easy way? Can I write like this way? 100 plus 3 into. Can I write in this way? 100 plus 7. Isn't it? Now, what is our identity? See, it is fully satisfied by this. Then I am using the identity x plus a into x plus b, x square plus a plus bx into ab. Now compare it. What x is? X is here 100. And what is a? Compare it. A is here. A is your 3. And what is b? B is your 7. Now put all the values in star. Now I am going to put X is your 100 square. What is A? 3. What is B? Plus 7. What is X? X is your 100. AB 3 into 7. This is your 100 into 100, 10,000. This is 7 plus 3, 10. 10 into 100 is 1000 plus 1000. 7 3s are 21. 10,000 plus 1000 is 11,021. 11,021 is your answer. Okay, come on the next question. There is 95 into 94. Can I write in the terms of hundreds here? Can I write in this way 95? 100 minus 5, isn't it? Now can I write 94? How can I? 100 minus 6. Now see here. This is fully fulfilled by this x plus a into x plus b. But you are thinking, sir, here is plus a, here is minus 5. You don't worry. See here, I am going to compare. X is your 100. What is a? A is your minus 5. That you put minus 5 only there. This will be minus 5. B will be minus 6. Put all this in star. See here, by star. On putting x is 100 here, then 100 square. This is minus 5 minus 6. What is x? X is your 100. Then minus 5 into minus 6. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Minus 5 into minus 6, minus 11 into 100. Minus 1100 minus minus plus 30. Subtract 10,000 minus 1,000, that is 9,000. 9,000 minus 100, that is your 8,900 plus 30. This will be 8930. This is your answer. Come on the next question.